Hi, I'm Treble, o me llamo Tible, and welcome to Outdoor School Virtual Learning. Today, I'm going to test your investigation skills by learning everything we can about a single leaf. So come on, let's go check it out. Hey, it's Treble, and I'm in a forest at the edge of my neighborhood on the homeland of the Clackamas tribe. And the first thing I look at when I'm looking at plants is what shape is it? Is it big? Is it small? Does it have a lot of leaves or just a few? And how do those leaves connect? How leaves connect to the stem is called its leaf arrangement pattern. So today we'll be looking at 3 patterns. Alternate, where leaves come off one every other side. Opposite, where leaves come off in pairs of 2 on each side. And whorl, where several leaves come off at the same point. So come on, let's go see what I can show you. The first thing I notice about this plant is that it's shorter and has lots of leaves. I notice that those leaves grow in pairs. This is an excellent example of the opposite leaf pattern. Plants that have opposite leaves look like they grow in pairs or opposite of each other. This is an Oregon grape. It's native to Oregon, which means that it's adapted to live here and is completely edible, though I don't recommend it. It's pretty bitter. I notice that this plant is low to the ground and has leaves in groups of 3s. When leaves come off all at the same point, or node, a plant has a whorled arrangement. This is a strawberry plant, and in the spring it has little white flowers with yellow centers that grow into the berries we know and love. This is another native species to Oregon. I notice that this is a type of fern. From a distance, I thought it would be obvious that this is an opposite pattern, but when I get really close, I can see it's actually an alternate pattern. That means that the leaves come off one on every other side. You can tell this is a sword fern because of the little sword-shaped leaves, and it has its overall sword-like shape. It also sometimes has orange dots all over the back, and those are spores. That's how it reproduces. Let's practice. What do you notice about this plant? I'll give you a few seconds. I notice that it's a vine with thorns on it, and this one is a little tricky when it comes to leaf arrangement. Although the leaves are grouped together, you can see that they come off in bunches, also called leaflets, on every other side. So this one is actually an alternate pattern. This is a Himalayan blackberry, and it's an invasive species. That means it was brought here, intentionally or accidentally, and it has no natural predators or competition. Alright, we've looked at 3 leaf arrangement patterns: alternate, opposite, and whorled. I want you to see if you can find examples of those arrangements in your field journal. And then I want you to go outside and see if you can identify what the leaf arrangement was of the plant you observed.